Popular media personality Khadine Miss Kitty Hylton has reportedly given birth to a baby girl. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. And thanks for joining. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Popular media personality Khadine Miss Kitty Hylton has reportedly given birth to a baby girl. Information reaching Links 007 TV News is that Miss Hylton and her husband Ian Willkinson KC welcomed a bouncing baby girl on Tuesday night. Miss Hylton announced her pregnancy last November during an airing of the CVM TV Sunrise show. During a gender reveal live stream on the media personality's YouTube page in January, the baby's gender was disclosed to close friends who were in attendance and well-wishers who tuned in to send congratulatory messages to the happy couple. It has been an exciting few months for the couple who tied the knot on October 14 last year in Cooper's Hill, St. Andrew. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.